Nolo Legal Guides app. The pros, the cons. Most people think legal research is only for lawyers, but the Nolo Legal Guides app brings essential legal knowledge to your fingertips. You won't believe how accessible complex topics like contracts, landlord-tenant law, or business formation can be for everyday users. The app provides easy-to-read guides covering hundreds of legal topics, from personal finance and family law to business and intellectual property. One standout feature is the searchable library, allowing users to quickly find relevant information, explanations, and sample forms. Nolo breaks down legal jargon into plain language, making it easier to understand rights, responsibilities, and options. Additionally, the app includes interactive checklists and tips for handling legal situations, helping users avoid common mistakes. Whether you're starting a business, drafting a will, or navigating employment law, Nolo provides clear guidance without overwhelming legalese. However, there are some cons. The app is informational only and does not replace professional legal advice, which may be necessary for complex or high-stakes situations. Some topics can be specific, limiting usefulness for international users. Additionally, access to premium content requires a subscription. In conclusion, the Nolo Legal Guides app is an invaluable resource for individuals seeking reliable legal information in plain language. Its extensive library, search functionality, and practical tips make it an excellent first step in understanding and navigating legal issues. While it doesn't replace a lawyer, the app equips users with knowledge and confidence to handle everyday legal matters effectively.